In Italy, the Colosseum is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy, just east of the Roman Forum. It is the largest ancient amphitheater ever built and is still the largest standing amphitheater in the world today, despite its age. Construction began under the Emperor Vespasian and was completed in 1880, and her Titus. Further modifications were made during the reign of Domitian. The three emperors that were patrons of the work are known as Flavian dynasty, and amphitheater was named the Flavian Amphitheater by later classicists and archaeologists for its association with their family name. The Colosseum is built travertine limestone, tuff, and brick-faced concrete. The Colosseum could hold an estimated 50,000 to 80,000 spectators at various points in its history, having an average audience of some 65,000. It was used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles including animal hunts, executions, re-enactment of famous battles and dramas based Roman mythology and brief mock sea battle. The building ceased to be used for entertainment in the early medieval era. It was later reused for such purposes as house, workshops, quarters for a religious order, and a fortress, a curie, and a Christian shrine. Although substantially ruined because of earthquake and the stone robbers, the Colosseum is still an iconic symbol of Imperial Rome and was listed as one of the new seven wonders of the world. It is one of the Rome's most popular tourist attractions and also has link to the Roman Catholic Church, as each Good Friday the people and the Pope leads the church with the cross of processions and their that start in the area of around the Colosseum. The site chosen was a flat area on the floor of the low valley between the Celian and Esquiline and Palatine hills, through which canalized stream run as well as the artificial lake. By the 2nd century BC, the area was densely inhabited. It was devastated by the Great Fire of Rome in 64 AD, following which Nero seized much of the area to add his personal domain. He built the grandiose Domus Aurea on the site, in front of which he created an artificial lake surrounded by pavilions, gardens, and porticos. The existing Aqua Claudia aqueduct was extended to supply water to the area, and gigantic bronze Colossus of Nero was set up nearby the entrance of the Domus Aurea. Although the Colossus was preserved, much of the Domus Aurea was torn down. The lake was filled in and the land reused as a location for the new Flavian Amphitheater. Gladiatorial schools and other sports buildings were constructed nearby within the forum ground of the Domus Aurea. Vespasian's decisions to build the Colosseum on the site of Nero's lake can be seen as a populist gesture of returning to the people an area of the city which Nero had appropriated for his own use, in contrast to many other amphitheaters which were on the outskirts of a city. The Colosseum was constructed in the city center, in effect place in both symbolically and precisely at the heart of Rome. Construction was funded by the opulent spoil taken from the Jewish temple after the First Jewish-Roman War in 70 CC. Led the siege of Jerusalem. According to the reconstructed inscriptions found on the site, the Emperor Vespasian ordered this new amphitheater to be erected from his general share of the booty. It is often assumed that Jewish prisoners of war were brought back to Rome and contributed to the massive workforce needed for the construction of the amphitheater, but there is no ancient evidence for that. It would be nonetheless be commensurated with Roman practice to add humiliation to the defeated population. Along with his free source of unskilled labor, team of professional Roman builders, engineers, artists, painters, decorators undertook the more specialized tasks necessary for the building the Colosseum. The Colosseum was constructed with several different materials: wood, limestone, stuff, tiles, cement, and mortars. Construction of Colosseum began under the rule of Vespasian in around 70 to 72 AD. The Colosseum had been completed up to the third story by the time of Vespasian's death in 79. The top level was finished by his son Titus in 80s, and inaugural games were held in 80 and 81 AD. Dios Cassius recounts that over 9,000 wild animals were killed during the inaugural games of the amphitheater. Commemorate coinage was issued celebrating the inauguration. The building was remodeled further under Vespasian's younger son, the newly designated Emperor Domitian. Was constructed Hypogeum, a series of tunnels used to house animals and slaves. He is also added a gallery to the top of the Colosseum to increase the seating capacity. In 217, the Colosseum was badly damaged by a major fire, which destroyed the wooden upper level of the amphitheater interior. It was not fully repaired but about 240 and underwent further repair in 250 to 252 and again in 320. Honorius banned the practice. Gladiators fight in 399 and again in 404. Gladiatorial fight are last mentioned around 435. An inscription records the restoration of various parts of the Colosseum under Theodosius and Valentinian III. Was possibly repaired to damage caused by a major earthquake in 443. More work followed in 484 and 508. The arena continued to be used for contests well into the 6th century. Animal hunts continued until at least 523, when Anicius Maximus celebrated the consulship, with some Venetians criticized by the king Theodoric the Great for their high cost.